Hey guys, we all love to learn new stuff every day. And learning a new language is one of the key things that you can do to sharpen your mind. And that is why in this video we are gonna be talking about best language learning apps for your Android device. So without wasting any time, let's hit the intro first. So I'm going to be talking about 5 language learning apps that you can use on your Android device, and all of these apps will be available on both the devices, iOS and Android. So on the number 1, as you might have guessed, we have the king of all language learning apps, and that is the Duolingo app. And since I myself use Duolingo every day to sharpen my language skills, and the app's colorful interface and short game-like exercises makes the language learning process very much easier. And one of the amazing things about this app is that it doesn't restrict how many languages you want to learn at the same time. And if you talk about me, I personally learn 3 languages simultaneously: Russian, German and French. And not just that, this app offers more than 40 languages, with Korean and Portuguese growing in popularity. Apart from that, I really like the Duolingo's user-friendly layout that anyone can use, whether you are an adult or a kid trying to learn a new language. And besides this, the streak feature, which is very amazing as it keeps you motivated to always go towards your goal. And even apart from learning the languages, you can also learn music and math right in this app. The app is free to use, but it has paid versions as well, which obviously has many more features. Now on the second number, we have the Babbel app, which is easily the best app when it comes to giving online school type experience. As when you start learning the language on the Babbel app, it gives you the feeling that you're learning directly from a school curriculum. And the minimalist layout of the Babbel app keeps the language learning process less overwhelming. And each lesson takes you through all of the translations, including the variations of the word or phrase, pictures, and whether it's formal or informal, which is very crucial when learning a new language. And if it asks you to spell a phrase, it provides you with the letters used.
Au revoir.
Bonjour. Now on the third number, we have the Drops app, and this one is for the visual learners. So I tried my hand at Greek on the Drops app, and the app's fun colorful layout definitely made the language less intimidating, as the Greek language has its own alphabets. This app shows users each word in the Greek alphabet and in the English alphabet, so that you can learn a different language which has a new script without any problem. And it also says the word and shows the image of the word as well.
Yeah. Ευχαριστώ.
So this app can be a game changer for you, as the app has also recently added its new language, that is the Catalan one. So if you want to learn that, you can definitely try that out. Alright, so now on the fourth number, we have the Mondly app, which is best in the business when it comes to helping you remember specific phrases or words. So this Mondly app is very similar to the Drops app, as it has a very fun, colorful layout. But it also has amazing multiple features that you can take advantage of even if you have not subscribed to the premium version of the Mondly app. So I recently learned a new language here, and I really liked how the interface was designed for me to learn a new language, as this app packs images, translations and auditory aids to help your specific learning style. And in this app, the instructor also speaks the word and phrases in a very soothing and melodic way.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
que désirez-vous boire?
Je bois du thé.
Which of course will make it easier for you to recall the words or phrases whenever you are learning a new language. Alright, so the fifth and the last one is the Memrise app, which is a pretty useful app for learning to speak in a casual way whenever you are learning a new language. And you know what's the favorite part of this app? The Memrise app shows you short videos about how real locals express different phrases in the conversation.
Oh, c'est un joli prénom, j'adore. Oh, merci.
Which of course will help you a lot in judging the tone of the voice and the pronunciation of the words. You can also get to know the phrase's literal translation and its gendered usage in detail with the help of this. And this app also helps you spot patterns to make it easier to improve your skills in the language that you're learning. So these were the best 5 language learning apps that you should definitely try out if you are thinking to learn a new language. Whether you are moving to a different country or you just want to gain exposure in that particular languages, then all of these 5 apps can definitely come handy for you. So if you're already learning any new language, do let me know in the comment section that which of the app you are currently using. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Geekified, and with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life.
Okay.